Okay, it's 4:05, and it's Jordan's last shift at Subway. And also Zach Lillis is here for an undetermined amount of time. One of the last professional sandwiches he'll ever make. Wow. Okay, we are about 2 hours into Jordan's last day at Subway. We've already gone over several references with Zach Lillis. Okay, we're going on a field trip. Everyone's out of the restaurant to look at this gorgeous sky that you definitely won't be able to appreciate.
I know, seriously. It looks awful on my phone.
Yeah, it looks nothing like how it actually looks. It's like gorgeous. The camera's picking up way too much blue and not enough of the warm colors. Jordan, you're almost halfway done with your last shift. How do you feel?
Like that.
Nice. Jordan is still slaving away. I wish I would have recorded this earlier, but I disappeared without notice, stole his car, and went to get a haircut. And the only person who knew was Zach Lillis. And he pretended he didn't know. He held up my secret.
He's an actor.
Actor. Slice. As part of Jordan's Subway-a-thon, we now are joined by Zach Lillis, Dad, Mom, Jacob, and the narrator, Spencer.
And we wrote you a special Subway Going Away song.
That we'll get to in just a moment. As part of the last day shenanigans, we have the most soupy, underbaked goodness cookie that I've ever seen. How is it? Slice. Go.
I'll take it.
Okay, welcome back to Jordan Subway Last Day Shenanigans Round 2.
I mean, these are
This time, he made a
bread.
He made a bread with steak and bacon and cheese on it.
Strack and bacon.
So I can't wait to eat the goodness out of that.
Hey guys, it's Zach here. Spencer right here is getting Jordan right here to make his special. Oh my God, sub! Look at that. Look.
Me.
It's zooming in. Look at that. Holy moly!
So this is on the special bread.
Yes.
It kind of looks like a fried egg from this angle. It's delicious. Oh my God, it's ruined. There's
at
pickle
that
juice
sandwich.
on it. Okay, we're gonna need.
No pickles.
We're gonna need salt and pepper.
Mr. and Mrs.
We're gonna need a little more pepper.
Mrs.
We're gonna need Oregon meat. Oh,
People use this to pretend it's marijuana sometimes.
that is fun fact. I like that wide shot.
Parmesan.
Of course.
Some Passinian.
Passinian.
Passinian cheese.
Okay.
Is that a real or artificial monkey? Passimian monk.
Potassium. And that will do it. Close that door
It's a real
up.
monkey.
It's real.
I don't understand the question.
Passimian.
It's
Like-
a Pokemon.
The Pokemonkey. Finished.
That'll be $10,000.
Come on.
God damn, I can't wait to get the fuck out of this stuff.
Get the fuck back up again. Ruffy.
Okay.
I missed it!
6 inches.
Okay.
How do you want me to do this? Like that?
Yeah, that's fine.
I dream of life without the monarchy. The unrested France, the anarchy. Anarchy, I say, anarchy. Whenever the energy of outside, panic with my shot.
You want me to the apprentice?
Alright, you can cut. I'm just gonna keep it rolling. You can cut this. One long click.
This sweet onion sauce tastes like?
With this tool, I shall give birth
No idea.
to art.
I made that vine. Ah, smells like cookies. Whoa. Cookies and cheese. What a.
So it's like, I'm done, and that's it. Well, how can it get any better?
And then the pickles,
And-
cheese and pickles and
Stop
cookies.
right.
Oh my god.
You're blushing. Oh my goodness.
This is great.
Anything else?
No, that's good.
All right. Okay, Subway is officially closed, but we're not done yet. As our day winds down, the one thing left is to do the thing I hate the most. Clean the...
It's the worst part of closing.
Yeah, cleaning the gutters. Okay, Jordan had us... Are you finished with those errands? He made us run some errands.
Yes, I am.
But now we're back for the final blow. Here we go. Okay, gang, this is it. Everything is done. All we have to do is set the alarm. Any final statements?
Don't do drugs. Here's a tip. Always bet on justice.
Slice. All right. Do the honors.
Go, 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 go! You have to come.
And that's it. We will never close this Subway ever again.
Whoa.
Wow. A-do, Subway.
Hey, do.
A-do.